Hey everybody, it's Mike Morley in the Relocation Department. I'm going to show you quickly how you can register a client that's coming into the Relocation Department. Say you know somebody that has relocation benefits and they're using the relocation company, and you know that file is going to be coming in through the Relocation Department. You want to make sure that that person is registered with you. And you can simply do that by logging into the gateway. Then you want to go straight to the Everything site. The Everything site is where the relocation and CET information lives. If you go up to the upper right hand corner of the screen, you'll see the Relo CET tab. Simply click on that tab and you'll be directed to our page. If you scroll down, you'll see a little way down on the right hand side a link to register an incoming customer. Click on that link. Now this next step is very important. You want to click on the tab at the top to register that incoming customer. So click on that tab to make sure you're filling out the right form. Fill out all the information that you know about that client. Even at the bottom, you want to make sure that you go into this tool over here and associate your name with that client. Once you've completed that form with as much information as you know about that transaction that's going to be coming through Relo, you're going to hit that submit button right at the bottom. Once you hit submit, you've registered that client. So when that file comes into our relocation department, we know to give it to you. Good luck.